Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Staybridge Suites Albany Rd-Colonie Center, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, airport shuttle, free, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms and a facilities for disabled guests. Located within 3.7 miles of University of Albany SUNY and 5 miles of Capitol Building, Staybridge Suites Albany Rd-Colonie Center, an IHG hotel provides rooms in Albany. The property is around 7 miles from the Egg Center for the Performing Arts, 7 miles from Corning Tower and 7 miles from Times Union Center. The hotel features a fitness center and an ATM. Selected rooms include a kitchenette with a microwave and a fridge. A continental breakfast is available daily at the hotel. At Staybridge Suites Albany Rd-Colonie Center, an IHG hotel, guests are welcome to use a hot tub. Guests will find a 24-hour front desk, a shared lounge, a business center and laundry service at the property. Empire State Plaza Convention Center is 8 miles from the accommodation, while Albany Institute of History Art is 3.7 miles away. The nearest airport is Albany International, 5 miles from Staybridge Suites Albany Rd-Colonie Center, an IHG hotel, and the property offers a free airport shuttle service. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.